Okay, Gordon, this has got to be the sleaziest place I've been in. What are you up to?
Well, today I want to talk about heavy breathing to lose weight.
Hey buddy, you were my trainer and nothing more.
Got you. I knew that would get you going. I'm not talking about heavy breathing and that mysterious phone call in the middle of the night. Today I want to talk about aerobic exercising and its effect on weight loss. Although, I have got your attention.
You have my attention. But I was concerned for a moment.
Let's go back to when you first started exercising. Do you remember what happened when you first started jogging?
Yeah, I hurt like hell.
Yeah, we will get to that bit in a moment. But what happened to your body weight?
Oh that. It fell off me pretty quickly for a while.
That's because nothing strips body fat away like aerobic workouts that use the biggest muscles of the body.
You mean walking, jogging and running 30 minutes every day strips those kilograms away?
You got it. Though initially it hurts a bit as your muscles get used to the new exercise.
Yes, I remember the aches and pains.
Everyone experiences discomfort when they first start exercising. They just have to keep going until the discomfort disappears and enjoyment kicks in.
You were going to tell me about the weight gain after the discomfort left.
That was your muscles adapting. The weight gain came from increased muscle tissue as your leg muscles got bigger.
So let me get this right. I was losing body fat while I was gaining muscle. So it looked like I was putting on weight.
That's right. So keep doing some form of aerobic exercise for 30 minutes 4 to 7 times a week and pretty soon you will be looking great.
Hey buddy. I look great now.